Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with JFLORES. Analyzing pretty much from trading view and also using an indicator called Simplicity, which is a great indicator. I like to say, though, that I use indicators for confirmation, although they can give you good signals also. You can see the market and read the market faster. So we're going to get it going right away. Thank you for our new subscribers. Thank you for clicking that like, the hand, and also the bell for notifications. Please, just hit it many times for likes, and that will help the channel to grow. And we're going to get it going right away. Okay, 1 second here. All right, let's get it going. So we're going to start with Euro USD. I had this markings from last couple weeks. Okay, and we noticed this flag last week, and it's just been consolidating down pretty much. And and overall, let me get rid of everything so we can start from everything. The way that I am looking at the market, this has been doing a consolidation, sideways consolidation right here, obviously. We can mark it very clear right there if you want, or you can mark it straight around there. If I put the lines, it'll look like that pretty much. Okay, so it's always, you put it, you don't have to be exactly around that area right there. And that's your consolidation. Pretty much the market come down, up and down. And we are hoping that the market is probably getting ready to give us a move up this week. So if you want to catch that move, you can drop to the 15-minute right there, 15-minute. Put your line. You can put a line right there, and the moment you see that the market it's clearly breaking up with the strong candle, and the fact that we're in the 15-minute time frame, all you need is just a candle clearly breaking up, and you can just take the trade, because we already taken the 1 hour flag breakup. So that's normally the way I trade. Okay, and when I'm here, this is when I use I do the analysis like that. Then I can come to my indicator right here, Euro USD. Where is it? I'll speed it up in a few minutes. I come right here. I can come to the 1 hour or 30 minutes. And I will wait, obviously, for the triple arrow to show up so I can take my trade. And I will leave it right there, for 2-3 days, or, maybe the rest of the week. See how far it takes us. Always, move your stop loss to break even. And this is if the triple arrow shows up here, it's pretty much confirming my analysis, right? That we're going in an uptrend on this. Okay. So that's the general idea how I use my analysis here, and then I go to my simplicity indicators. Okay, so let's keep it going. I can analyze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 today. I'm gonna go this way. Euro odd. What do we have in Euro odd? Let's go to the 4 hour real quick so we can see the bigger picture. I'm gonna get rid of this indicator for now. There it goes. Okay. So clearly we're in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend, and I was suggesting last week that we mark that flag right there. Let's look at that flag on the 1 hour, and we're still on the same idea. If that black flag breaks to the up, just wait for a little smaller flag and take that trade to the top. But this is going to invalidate once it breaks this low right here. If it breaks that low, then that flag is no good no more. It was not a flag. It was obviously a downtrend. Okay, so that's what we're expecting the market to do. If we see a breakup right there, little small consolidation before going into a trade. Don't just go into a trade in a 1 hour. Wait for the breakup, small consolidation, retest, and then go into a trade. You're odd USD. Okay, so okay, the market came to this zone right there, like we were expecting a week and a half ago, and they rebounded down, okay, from that point right there. So I mean, that was the sell right there, but we still gonna see what the market does right here because it's an indecision. Okay, let's look at the bigger picture in the daily. Obviously, we're going in a big uptrend. In the daily, we can see that in the 4 hour. We're thinking that my first bias is that this is obviously this move is correct in this move right here. So if it all gonna depends what the market does here. For example, if I see a correction up, a flag up, I'm gonna sell it. Okay, but if I see the market goes up and it keeps going, I'm gonna wait again for that type of move right there to go up, retest, and then go to the next level. Pretty much, that's the plan for AUD USD. If you want to trade that little move to the up, you can do the same thing. Go to the 15 minutes, put yourself a nice trend line, and just be patient for that breakout. Right there. Let's be patient for it. If it breaks this low, it's probably just gonna keep going lower, all to the other level over here. But if it breaks up, it's a good chance that at least it's gonna go and visit this week this zone again, retest, and then we'll see what happened in that zone again. Caught JPY or CAD JPY. All right, where are we right now? In the daily, we're right here. Okay, so I am waiting for the market again to go and retest that zone again. But it might not, so all depends what happens. Okay, so the market is going to tell us. Again, you can do exactly the same thing. Go to the 15 minutes here, and you can, if the market breaks this to the top. Sorry, let me get this line. If the market breaks this to the top, I will definitely go to that zone right there, and then we'll see what's going to happen. Maybe in the middle of the week, we'll see where we are at that point when we get to this point. But the market can easily keep coming down, but it's definitely due. Well, keep coming down to this level too, and then do that. So maybe in the next couple of days, this is going to keep coming down to that support right there. And I just saw that. So maybe let's wait and see what the market does, and then we can probably buy it for the correction or to get that retest on the top. And GPUSD. Okay, let me look at the 4 hour to see the big picture again. Okay. Okay, we're still in an uptrend. And the daily, obviously, that's an uptrend right there. All of this moves against the trend. They're correction. So right now, it's big. Obviously, it's a big correction. You can see it right there. So let me get rid of this. Oh, I can reuse those lines. I see that the market is creating this sideways move right here. Let me go lower and right there. And also I can use this one for that move right there. Okay. So the market can do two things. The market is probably it's only two ways that we can read this: is 1, 2, 3 move and then coming all the way down to the main trend line, or this is doing an impulse, and 1, 2, 3, and then to go and visit the top again one more time. Okay, so we're going to see what happens. You can trade this move depending on what it does. You can go again to the 15 minutes and same idea again. Okay, yourself a nice trend line right there. Wait for the breakup, and you can at least go here. That's let me see how many pips is that. That's a good amount of pips just to go there. That's 140 pips at least. So if a good candle, strong candle breaks above, I will definitely buy it. It's probably gonna correct a little bit and then go again. If you can wait for the correction, even better. But normally 15 minutes, I buy it the moment a candle closes above the trend line, and not barely. Okay, you want to see a candle, a strong candle, then you buy it. It might correct a little bit, but it's gonna go. Okay, friends, thank you very much. If you have any questions, please also, if you're considering buying Simplicity system, it's a great system. We have a great Uncle P created this great strategy. It's the 415. Pretty much, it's very, very simple. Like what I'm gonna do normally in the mornings, but fairly before or just after London is where it works real good. Normally in the 4 hour, I scan the markets, and I'm looking for markets to be, on tops like this. But this is already developing too much to the bottom. Let me find one real quick. Like this right there. That's pretty much what we are looking for right there, okay? After we get this, I go to the 15 minutes. And I am looking for trades 15 minutes but coming down, okay? That is coming. It's already going back. But this one, for example, did a very good trade last week with this 15-minute move right here, okay? We go to the 4 hour again. One second, let me go here. Okay, let's go to the cat JPY. Okay, that one looks real good also. Euro USD. We're on the bottom edge of this one. For example, this one, I really like it for a 415, although already it's touching the bottom. We already have that 4 hour. So, and we saw this one in our analysis. So I will definitely go to the 15 minute on this one. And we don't have an arrow yet. So I really like this trade. See if it works. We're going to see if it works out. That will be one for the list in between today and tomorrow to go in. We're going to check it out, see if it works out or if it's still going to move down. Okay, so that's pretty much that very simple strategy that works over and over and over again. Real good strategy. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm not gonna waste your time no more. But if you're interested in getting this system, it's the link is below the video. Okay, in the description. Click on it. Do the payment. Please let me know, because if you let me know, I will definitely help you with any questions that you might have in the future until you learn it real good. There's a whole training, obviously, with this you pay once and it's forever, okay? And not only that, you get training with Uncle P, which is the creator, every Tuesday and Wednesday for the rest of your life, okay? Any questions, any support, they're a real good team. I really recommend it. If you're barely learning how to trade, don't give up. Don't give up. This is the way to go. This is the way to go. This is one of the best indicators out there. You're not going to find nothing better. Years and years of experience put into this. And it's called Super Easy Trading because they made it real easy, okay? So thank you very much for spending this time with me. See you guys back on Wednesday.